Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tide Business Plus Account Review My Usage Experience. Tide Business Plus Account Review My Usage Experience offers a business banking solution designed for small to medium-sized enterprises. It aims to simplify accounting and financial management, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, and potentially accounting software integration. Its target audience is business owners who want a streamlined and efficient way to manage their finances. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Tide highlights its ease of use, claiming a simple setup and intuitive interface. They emphasize transparent pricing with no hidden fees and the absence of lengthy contracts. The service leverages cloud-based technology for accessibility and security. Availability is generally nationwide, but it's best to check their website for specific regional details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tide Business Plus Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The online sign-up process was straightforward, and I was able to link my existing business accounts within minutes. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the customizable dashboards. I was able to easily track my key financial metrics, like outstanding invoices and cash flow. The invoicing feature is excellent. Creating and sending invoices is incredibly simple. I was able to easily categorize expenses, which made preparing tax reports much easier. The whole system felt very reliable. I never experienced any downtime or glitches. I had a quick question about reconciling a transaction and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a very helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the limited reporting options beyond the basic dashboards. It took me a little while to fully grasp how to utilize all of the advanced settings within the system. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tide Business Plus. It significantly improved my business's financial management, and the ease of use is a real game changer. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated expense tracking. That's my overview of Tide Business Plus Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.